For more than 20 years, Baosuo Group has been adhering to the business philosophy of concentricity, coexistence, and perpetual innovation. As the leading supplier that firstly provides overall turnkey solutions for tissue paper manufacturing projects in the world, we have established 5 independent production bases with the spirit of innovation. We have built 3 famous brands, including Baotuo Tissue Machine, Baosuo Paper Machinery, and Baojin Technology, being dedicated to inject new vitality into global tissue paper equipment manufacturing industry. Today, we spare no effort to improve production efficiency and create higher values with large-scale modern production lines. We are adhering to the tenet of taking end customer demand as orientation, science and technology as impetus, talent as the cornerstone, and quality as the life. We insist on innovation drive and efficient service to complete an integrated project from jumbo roll production, converting to finished product packaging and other process, helping customers to save costs and improve efficiency. Baosuo Group leads the market trend with its high automated and high intelligent equipment in tissue paper equipment manufacturing industry. Precision machining equipment, exquisite craftsmanship, complete process, mature technology, and unique ingenuity ensure excellent quality in parts being produced. From part production to machine installation, and then to machine commissioning, the whole process is strictly supervised and controlled to ensure that each machine has outstanding quality. With superb manufacturing craftsmanship, our products are beautiful and practical, providing end users with terrific experience.